Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we will learn about blending options. Let's start. Go to the background layer and right-click. Select Duplicate Layer. Keep it as a duplicate copy and select New Document. Name the document as Displace. Click OK. A new document will get open. Go to Filter tab and select Gaussian Blur from Blur option. Keep radius as 2.0. Click OK. Go to Adjustment Properties and keep saturation -100. Now save this document as Displace. Now close the document. Open the previous image. Add a text with white color. Increase the size and set the position using transform controls. Now right-click on text and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter tab and click on Distort. Select Displace. A property box will pop up. Keep properties as shown in video. Now open the document which we have saved as Displace. You can see how text is wrapped with jeans. Again, right-click on text layer and select blending option. A property box will get pop up. Select the values as shown in video. Hold Alt key to separate the color anchor points. Go to Color Overlay option and select the color. This is the final result. Hope you found this tutorial useful and interesting. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.